Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis from Typhoon 2000. This is the latest for today, Friday, until Monday, January 21 to 24, 2022. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. As we've said yesterday, we have a shear line, a fragmented shear line, and has again connected to a frontal system right here, and it's affecting the eastern sections of northern Luzon, particularly areas of Cagayan Valley and Aurora, while the rest of Luzon will be under the influence of the winds from the east, known as the easterlies, and there will be some cloudy conditions with possible rain showers and thunderstorms across areas of Luzon, including the Bicol region, while the northeast monsoon is narrowly located over the southern coastline of China, including the northern portions of the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. So it will be windy right here with winds of 30 to 60 kph. So overall, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain sunny to cloudy with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly here over areas of Mindanao. We have a surface trough here that is expected to bring rain showers and thunderstorms across eastern and southern Mindanao for the next couple of days. And we are observing this cloudiness to the south of Guam for possible development into a shallow LPA. As of this time, it's still a part of a surface trough, not yet a shallow one. We are going to observe this coming weekend, but so far with no development, we will return on Monday. Okay, so here's the fast animation. As you can see, here's the shear line, which has reconnected to a frontal system here, and it's bringing some rain showers across the eastern sections of northern Luzon and the easterlies as well, and some troughing here, or surface trough, across the eastern sections and southern sections of Mindanao. Here's the part of the surface trough that we are observing for possible development into a low pressure area. Now let's take a look at the latest zoom in satellite animation beginning 2 p.m. this afternoon until 7 p.m. Here's the cloudiness associated with the shear line and the easterlies, while portions of Mindanao will also have some localized thunderstorms across some Zamboanga Peninsula and some portions of Soxagen, and while the eastern sections and southern sections of Mindanao will have possible thunderstorms within the next few days because of the surface trough. Now here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Sunday and Monday, courtesy of the European model. By tomorrow afternoon, we could expect some showers still over the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, and some isolated ones across the Nagat, Siargao Islands. And on Sunday, there will be increasing cloudiness with thunderstorms across Mindanao, particularly Soxagen and Davao region. This is due to the trough of a developing LPA to the south of Mindanao. And on Monday, more thunderstorms will be expected across Mindanao and extending across Visayas and portions of the Bicol region because of the trough from a possible shallow LPA southeast of Mindanao on Monday. And if we take a look at the rainfall forecast accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday, we expect showers still across the eastern sections of Luzon, including Batanes, because of the easterlies and the possible and still the presence of the shear line, and over to the east of Visayas, eastern Visayas, eastern Samar particularly, and the eastern Leyte, and also the eastern sections of Mindanao. There could be rains and thunderstorms brought about by the approaching surface trough to the east, which is currently under observation for possible development into a low pressure area, a shallow LPA. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast until Monday. Tomorrow, Saturday, And Sunday, we are going to experience some light easterlies and some northeasterly trade winds across the Visayas. And on Monday, still some northeasterly surface wind flow across the Bicol region and the Visayas. And this is brought to you by the developing Shallow LPA here. And if we take a look at the forecast models, this is the European model. The development of the LPA is no longer becoming active. On Tuesday, it is expected to move across the Celebes Sea south of Mindanao as a shallow LPA or a moderate one. And on Wednesday, it will move across Holosulu or the offshore areas of Bangsamoro across the eastern sections of Borneo. And on Thursday, it will move into the West Philippine Sea south of Cagayan Island Group. So it's only a shallow LPA that is expected to develop based on the new forecast today. So it's no longer expected to traverse Mindanao and Visayas, including Palawan. But the passage of the shallow one will bring some trough or extension, and expect some rain showers and thunderstorms across Visayas, Mindanao, and Palawan. Now, if we take a look at the American model, it shows here that it's still also a shallow one crossing Mindanao on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It will be over Palawan as a shallow one, and Thursday out into the West Philippine Sea. So if we move back into the rain forecast, particularly the European model, this is the more accurate one. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we are going to experience isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, Visayas, and Palawan based on the forecast beginning Monday to Thursday. So this is good news compared to our forecast yesterday, which shows a developing active or strong LPA, which could become a tropical depression, but right now it's dissipating based on the forecast models. At the current time, it's not yet a developed LPA. It's only a part of a surface trough. So that's good news to all of us. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Friday. And I hope you'll have a happy weekend ahead. Stay safe always. And we will return on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Thank you so much for watching our channel.